You've been working hard on your vertical hip shimmy, but something still doesn't look right. In this video, we're going to go over 4 common mistakes so that you can troubleshoot your hip shimmy and launch yourself to belly dance superstardom. Stay with me. Marhaba dancers, I am Jen Suya, helping you to achieve your belly dance dreams with the technique and culture of belly dance. We upload videos every Monday, so subscribe so that you can be skilled, sexy, and smart in your belly dance. The most common mistake that I see in the vertical shimmy is this. See if you can catch it. I'm going to start out doing it properly, and then I'm going to move into the mistake. Did you see it? Yes, my knees lost their bend and I moved into what I consider a different shimmy. Awesome, but to do the vertical hip shimmy, the important thing is to keep your knees bent so that you keep that movement really up and down in the hips. The ways to fix that is, 1, practice in small quantities several times a day because you're trying to build strength and stamina. This is a lot of muscle working. It's a great workout. So practice a few minutes several times a day if you can. The other thing that I found helped me a lot was to do cross training. Biking, hiking, walking, those things help to build strength. You can also check out another video we have on the biggest belly dance mistakes, which goes into more exercises to help you build strength. I'm going to demonstrate another common mistake. I'll start out in proper form and then I'll move into the mistake. See if you can identify it. Here we go. Did you catch it? Right here. Here it is. I started out like this. Now this is not really so much in the shimmy, but to me, it looks a little bit like stop, get away from me, and I don't think personally it's as pretty a line as keeping your arms in a doorway like this. I think that this looks a lot better. Moving here to me feels a little bit sloppy. So to work on that, again, this is muscle memory and building up the strength to hold yourself in this position. I have my thumbs in. You can check this out on our belly dance posture video, which I go into great detail on how to hold that. But you have to be open in the chest and holding your hands here, lifted, and think of opening up here while you are shimmying your hips. Now I'll demonstrate what I see as a third common mistake. Again, see if you can identify it. From our basic shimmy, here I go. Did you see it? You can really see it from the side view. I started out here, and then as I shimmied, I let my chest kind of cave in and I let my hips kind of release back. So I went in this position. Again, kind of a nifty move if you want that aesthetic. The aesthetic that I'm teaching here with this vertical hip shimmy is a very isolated, very open, leaned back. Some people call that a classic cabaret look. You can call it what you want. This is the move that I'm trying to show. The hips a little bit further forward so that you're showing that off and the chest well lifted and relaxed. And the fourth common mistake I see is probably the most difficult of all to fix, and that is one of timing. But it's also the one that's going to make you look awesome. So again, you can go back and check the video, the how-to video on the vertical hip shimmy, and practice your shimmy at slow motion so you can build up the muscle memory and then take it faster. Again, if you count it, you can check out that video on how to find the beat in the music and how to count the music. It will really help you to match that shimmy to the music. Again, this is an easy one to fudge because you can shake it around. But to really get the magic of it, you want to at least be thinking about where's the beat and hitting a hip drop on one of the beats or a fraction of the beat. At super speeds, you won't be able to pick it out, but you will see, and the viewers, your audience, or whoever's watching you at a party will be able to see if, wow, she's really, looks like she's just playing that drum with her hips. So there you go, 4 common mistakes and some tips on how to fix them. Hey dancers, if you found value in this, please smash the like button and share it with your friends. Leave a comment and let me know which was the problem that was biggest for you and if these things are helping you. I suggest the next 2 videos to watch are the double hip drop to get your technique well and the how-to video on the vertical hip shimmy. Ma salama, we'll see you on the next video.